Hey guys, just briefly covering another euro pair just now. You've seen the EURCAD move a lot today. In the most recent of times, reasonable move on this candle, as you can see reflected on your daily chart. You can see previous price rejection all around these areas where I'm labeling, which is very, very key and very, very essential to how we're going to look at this market in a really, really quick run over process. So if I put my time frame down to the 4 hour, and by the way, don't forget to get my free training kits under this video. If I put my time frame down to the 4 hour, you can see you've got very early rejection here, and you can see a little bit of price action telling you maybe people are liquidating their orders very quickly. So you would look for further rejection, and I like this short really in an intraday stance. You may find going into tomorrow that's how it occurs, and you pull back down near these key moving averages. The levels underneath around here are what represent your long side entry zones, places where you'd look to get long, but as I mentioned, you're going to have to come through this first to get anywhere near that, and there's a good gap there. So in the near term, like I said, intraday wise, wouldn't be totally shocked if this causes rejection, okay, and you see a bit of a fall. Wouldn't really be surprised either if ultimately you end up here. If you go to your daily, again, you can see that really tight range at the moment and that sideways movement, a little bit of uncertainty, but nonetheless you are rising, as you are on many euro pairs, to what is local resistance and local price rejection. So that forms the basis for any shorts. If it gets higher, pushes out from there, I'll look short higher up. And my bias is the same lower. I'll just DCA in lower down. Briefly looking at higher time frames, okay, you can see since more or less the summertime, or actually about a year ago, you've gone sideways for an even longer period. So it's not just this local price action that we've looked at there. It's actually for a considerable amount of time like this. Okay, and you can see that. So again, like I said, that backs up what I was saying. Anything to the upside around here, I'd like it short. Anything to the long side, I would like it long, and I would do it in proportion to my current risk and current equity. But in the meantime, on the near term intraday basis, I would rather likely short it in the event that you do start to fall. And it's very key that these moving averages are just going straight through the middle of this sideways channel, denoted by those red dotted lines. Okay, so a bit of indecision on your EURCAD, but an impulse move on the day, which I'd rather be short on. Quick lesson there. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to get my free training underneath. See you in the next one.